Are you studying at home or even at school? Feel a little stuck and somewhat bored? Well then stay tuned to my YouTube as I welcome you back to the drawing board.
Hi! Welcome back to the drawing board. Today we're going to look at the oi sound. So, which letters make oi? There are two. O and y. Together they make oi.
Listen carefully for this sound, but don't worry about any names, just the words, as they will help us when we come to practice. Now, let's see what's happening around the world.
Here we have a graph, which shows the number of girls and boys in a class. So, which word in that clip had the oi sound? It was boys. Let's practice. Starting with b, oi, and s, b, oi, s, boys. Now over to a shop, which sells lots of toys. Now, you may have heard toys. Let's practice. T, oi, and s, t, oi, s, toys. Here we have Floyd, who enjoys playing football. What could we hear this time? It was enjoys. So, n, j, oi, and s, n, j, oi, s, enjoys. And last but not least, we find a job search. They are looking for someone new to employ. Now, what was our final word? It was employ. So, m, p, ul, and oi. M, p, ul, oi. Employ. I hope you enjoyed practicing the oi sound today. Perhaps you can think of more words which have this sound. See you next time!